Hello students, now I am going to explain the chapter. This is how heavy and how light. How heavy, how light. They gave a small story first. Just listen. Jeju and Manu were shifting house. They loaded all their things on a horse cart. When we are shifting to one house to another house, we should shift all things to another house. No? At that time, they loaded all the things at the horse cart. There were many things like so many things they gave here. Now I am writing here. See what we have here: water tank, one water tank, and 5 sack of wheat, 5 sack of wheat we have, and 3 tables, 1 almara, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses, 3 sack of rice, and bamboo ladder, pots and pans. Here see. Like this we have the things: 1 water tank, 5 sack of wheat, 3 tables, 1 almara, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses, 3 sack of rice, and 1 bamboo, and pots and pans. Each one how many kgs we don't know. They'll give the next. When they were ready to move, these all they packed in the horse cart and they want to move. At that time the horse refused to start. Why? Because the horse is ill. It's not pull more than 700 kgs. It pulls only 700 kgs. Already their father said the horse was not well and would not pull more load heavier than 700 kgs. It loads only 700 kgs. At that time, how much the total weight we should find? They gave what they gave: the things and weights. The water tank, how many kgs? Water tank weight is 50 kgs. One water tank is 50 kgs. And the sack of wheat. The sack of wheat, how many kgs? 100 kgs. One wheat packet, one sack of wheat is 100 kgs. Here we have 5. That means 5 into 100, 500. We have the tables also here. One table weight is 10 kgs. One table weight 10 kgs. At that time 3 tables means 3 into 10, 30 kgs. And almara weight is 70 kgs. One almara weight is 70 kgs. Chairs, each chair 5 kgs weight. At that time we have 4 chairs. That means 4 into 5, 20 kgs. 2 mattresses. One mattress is 20 kgs. At the time 2 mattresses means 40 kgs weight. Rice bags. Sack of rice. Each rice is 35 kgs. We have 3 sack of rice. That means 3 into 35, 105 kgs. Bamboo ladder. One bamboo ladder is 10 kgs weight. And pots and pans 10 kgs weight. Here we should find total how much weight. Here see, one water tank only we have here. One water tank weight is 50 kgs. And 5 sack of wheat. One sack of wheat is 100 kgs. That means 5 sack of wheat is 500 kgs. 5 into 100, 500. One table is 10 kgs. That time 3 tables 30 kgs. One almara 70 kgs. 4 chairs 20 kgs. 2 mattresses 40 kgs. One sack of rice is 35 kgs. At that time the 3 sack of rice is 105 kgs. One bamboo is 10 kgs. And pots and pans 10 kgs. Total how many kgs we have here? 6. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Total 835 kgs. These things always 835 kgs. But the horse can pull only 700 kgs. How many kgs are more here? 835 minus 700. How many kgs? 135 kgs are extra. That's why the horse not ready to pull this all weight. Up to 700 kgs only the horse can pull. Here 135 kgs are extra. If you want to remove, load is exactly should be 700 only. At that time what you will remove, in my opinion, I'll remove one wheat. Why? Because these are 500 kgs. 100 kg will be go, no, that's why one sack of wheat at that time 735. But suppose one rice bag if we remove means 35 kgs will go, so 700 kgs it will be. Exactly 700 kgs. In this one wheat packet, one sack of wheat we removed and one rice bag we removed. Total 700 kgs. Okay. Next, we have some activity. For suppose one eraser and one geometry box is there. In these two, which is heavier? First, one pencil and one geometry box is there. At that time, which is heavier? Obviously, but not weighing only, we can say the pencil and geometry box. Which is heavier? Geometry box only heavier. Eraser and geometry box. Which is heavier? Geometry box only heavier. Okay, like that. For these small things we can say like that. Somewhat little bit difference means we should weigh in this balances only. Next, see, making weights. Do this activity in pairs. You need a balance, weights, a cake of soap and plastic packets, sand and rubber bands. You can also take the help of another old person. Here see, soap means what is the soap weight? Soap weight will be sometimes 100 grams according to the size, and soap the weight will be in the various steps, different types. I am taking 100 grams soap. One soap weight is 100 grams. If we want sand means take a plastic cover and pour sand. These two will be balanced now. At that time balancing, it will also, sand is 100 grams, soap is 100 grams. If we want to find 200 grams soap means the sand packet we should keep one rubber band and keep this all in this. This is also 100 grams. This is also 100 grams. At that time total how many grams? 200 grams. So we can find the 200 grams sand. Here one plastic cover and pour and balance it. 200 grams. Now pack it. First suppose these 200 grams also if we kept here means total how many grams? 200, 100, 100. Now 400 grams sand will be there. This 400, 800 grams. But suppose if you want only 500 means these 400 packet and one soap if we kept means we can find the 500 grams sand. This 400 grams sand and one soap. Soap is 100 grams and 400 grams and total 500. So if we cut the plastic cover and pour sand here, total 500 grams. Why? Because this is 400 grams and this is 100 grams. Like that we can do this activity. Next, practice time. They gave the balances. Which pan of the balance will go down? Show by drawing an arrow. They gave first balances, like these balances they gave, and weights also they gave. We should say which one go down and which one go up. Here 40 kgs and 25 kgs. Here 40 grams only, all. Sorry, 40 grams, 25 grams. Here 40 grams and 35 grams. Which is more weight? 40 plus 25, 65 grams. 40 plus 35, 75 grams. Which weighs more? 65 or 75? 75. So we should keep the arrow down here. when we are going to find anything means, go to shop. If you take 100 grams on one side and 150 grams on one side, at the time which will go down, which is the more weight, at that time it downs. So we should keep the down arrow here. Next, like that we have some problems. Let's do this. Here 75 grams and 75 grams, 140 grams and 35 grams. 75 plus 75 how much, Nuna? 150 grams. 140 plus 135 how many grams? 175 grams. In these 2 grams, which is heavier? 175 grams is heavier. So the balance comes down. So we should keep the down arrow. But suppose these two are equal means what we should add? This 150, this is 175. This should be 175 means what we should add? 25 if we add grams, if we add means 175. At that time these two are equal. And next we gave 200 grams and 105 grams. Here 250 grams and 150 grams. See, total how many grams we have here? 400 grams. Here we have 305 grams. Which comes down? This one comes down. Which weighs more? It comes down the balance. If these two must be equal means what we should add here? If we add 95 grams means these two will be equal. 400, 400. Okay. Next, 700 grams, 245 grams, 55 grams. And here 600 grams, 254 grams. Total how much weight we have? 854 grams. Here see how much we have here? 1000 grams. Which is heavier? This is the heavier one. We should give the down arrow for this. So if it should be equal means what we should add here for 854? $146. See, 10, 10, 10. If we add 146 grams to 854 means these two are equal. Next, 196 grams, 196 grams and 20 grams. 197 grams. Here see 6, 11, 216 grams here, 197 grams here. Which one comes down the balance? This balance comes down. And next see, here they gave 36 grams, 75 grams. Here 63 grams, 100 grams, 163. Here 111 grams. Which one comes down? Which is heavier? 163 grams are heavier. We should keep down arrow for this 163. Suppose if should be equal means what we should add? 52 grams we should add. At that time these two are equal. Okay. Okay students, I'll continue remaining in the next class.